Graphing Methods and Systems by Meagan Plowman, Brynn Sheffield, Connell, and Giambusso. What are the benefits of forms? Vertex form allows you to find the vertex right away using y equals a parentheses x minus h parentheses squared plus k. You just take the opposite of h and keep k the same. For standard form, you have to use x equals negative b over 2a to find the x value. Then you plug the value into the equation to find the y value. Benefits of technology. Calculators are great. They ensure no simple mistakes that you make in your head. For example, when doing the problem 1 minus 3, you can make the simple mistake of not noticing the minus sign and doing 1 plus 3 and then getting 4. But with the calculator, you will type in the equation and it will help you focus on what it says so you can type it correct and get the right answer. As shown below, 1 minus 3 equals negative 2, not 1 minus 3 equals 4. Hard problems. With problems that are hard to solve, like the square root of 3,429, you can plug the problem into your calculator, other than trying to find a perfect square that goes into 3,429. This saves you a lot of time when doing homework, or quizzes, or tests. Checking work. A major benefit of a calculator is using it to check your answers. If you're trying to learn how to do problems by hand, then after you completely solve the problem, you can pull out your calculator and check to make sure you're doing the problem right. Exciting! Lastly, the calculator enables you to solve way more advanced and exciting problems like 4 squared times 3 over 2 equals 40x, rather than really easy problems like 2 squared or 1 plus 3 equals 4x. How do you solve systems of equations with quadratics manually and with technology? How to solve systems of equations manually. Graphing the quadratic. The quadratic function is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Our equation is y equals x squared plus 4x minus 5. The first step to solving this is by taking our equation and putting it in the form. The answer we got, negative 2, which is our x value, will now be plugged into our equation, shown below. So now we have our vertex for the parabola. Step 4. Now, since there is a 1 in front of our x value, we can graph the points from our vertex to create the parabola over by doing 1 over 1 up, 2 over 4 up, 3 over 9 up, and you can keep going from there by using the square root. Graph the quadratic.
Say that, just like to show it.
How to solve systems of equations manually. Graphing the linear. The linear function is y equals mx plus b. Our equation is y equals 2x plus 3. The first step is to take the 2 of our equation and put it over 1, as shown below. The 3 in our equation is the y-intercept, so that means we can also start our line from there using that shown. Now, since our parabola and our line are both drawn, we can look for intersecting points. These intersecting points are called solutions, and the solutions for this problem are as shown below. And here is the graph.
Solving systems of equations with a calculator. Step 1. Press y equals. Step 2. Put quadratic equation in y1 and put linear equation in y2. Step 3. Press graph. A line and a parabola should appear. Step 4. Press zoom or window and adjust screen if necessary if you can't see either two. Step 5. Press second trace. Then press 5. Step 6. Move plus icon close to one of the two intersections. Press enter 3 times. 2, 3. Repeat step 5 through 7 to get second intersection. And so, second trace, press 5, Move it to the other intersection over here. Enter 3 times, 1, 2, 3. And then record the points given, and there's your answer.